Okay, please come in.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm April May from Laundry Department. I'm here for your laundry request. May I know if you are Miss Jamaica who called for pickup?
Yes, I am.
Okay, ma'am. May I know if you're done filling out your laundry form?
Not yet.
Okay, ma'am. Here is your laundry form. Kindly fill it out. May I know, ma'am, where I could find your laundry item, ma'am?
On the top of the bed.
Okay, ma'am. Please allow me to counter check your laundry items. You have 1 blazer and 3 face towels. They were all damage-free. Do you have any special instruction in your clothes, ma'am? Do you like your clothes to be washed? Is it machine wash, hand wash, or dry cleaning out?
I want machine wash.
Okay, ma'am. How about your clothes to be delivered? Is it hand or folded?
I want folded.
Ma'am, what kind of delivery service do you want to avail? We have express delivery service wherein your clothes will be delivered after 3 hours with an extra charge 500 pesos. We also have regular service wherein your clothes will be delivered after 8 hours but has no extra charge.
I will choose express delivery.
Okay, ma'am, your total payment is 2,500, wherein 2,000 is for laundry service and 500 pesos for extra charge. How would you like to settle your account, ma'am? Is it cash or charge a bank account?
Cash.
Okay, ma'am, please allow me to repeat your laundry request. You have 3